Hey folks, welcome back to our videos. Now in this tutorial I would like to show you how to copy a component from a page that's in a root folder or one level of folder into a page that's located in a subfolder. There's just a couple things you want to check for in terms of linkage when you do that. So let's just run through this real quick. Let's say, for example, we have our index page. I'll pull it up right here, there, and we want to copy this Infobox carousel into a page that's located in a subfolder of our site. So let's say we go into our pages folder and we want to copy it into our about one page. Okay, well here's the steps I would run through. I would open up the about one and the index page. I'd first of all locate my link to my Infobox carousel, or see if there was one. I do see there is one, so I'm just going to select it and copy. I'm going to go to my page that's located in the subfolder, scroll on down, there's the the component style section. So I'm just going to hit my cursor and paste. Now right away I noticed that the link to the contact panel that was there before is a little bit different from the link I just pasted in. And what I mean by different is it starts off with a ... where the link I just pasted in doesn't. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put my cursor there between the double quote and the library and manually enter the ... And that basically tells the link to look up one folder level, then look for the library components Infobox carousel. Basically you're updating the path to the style sheet. So that's step number one. Number two, let's go find the actual component in our page, shall we? Let's just fire this up, scroll on down, Infobox carousel. I'm just going to click that, switch to code view. There's my Infobox carousel, and as we noticed before, it's within a container wrapper. And if I just did a select tag, it would tell me the exact thing. Now, we being the nice people we tend to be, we've commented the entire section for you as well as the component. So basically all I do is grab this snippet of code which says Infobox carousel section, Infobox carousel section. I copy this, I go into my about page, I find a place where I want to put this, and I'm going to put it right above this "would you like to meet" bit of information. So I'm just going to select the word here, go to code view. There's my word selected. I see a row, a container, and a space above it. Good. Well, like I said, I want to make sure that I don't paste it within another container or row. How do you know if it's going to be right or wrong? Well, usually you just sort of look to see if there's a bit of a white space, and the container tag usually comes right out to the very edge and everything else is somewhat indented, so that's maybe another good way to check. But I'm just going to put my cursor there. I'm going to paste, and as you can see it says, container wrapper. See how it's all indented like that? Same with the closing div tags. We try and keep things neat and orderly for you. But once we pasted our code, it's important to update this link right here to our web bot. And like we did with the link to our style sheet, we added the ... We'll have to add a ... for the link to our Infobox carousel page. Right here at the beginning of library, we're just going to do another one, ... And there we go. Now it will be linking to your Infobox carousel library page correctly. If, for example, the about page was 2 subfolders deep, you would have seen another ... here. So you probably would have copied that same pattern over to the link that you pasted. Once again, keeping that in mind, you would have to add another ... So that would be if we had a pages folder and an optional background, and that's where our page was located, in a subfolder within another folder, and so on from there.